Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Data Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to explore generative AI for algo trading. Okay, same time we will try to discuss price action, market analysis as well as sentiment analysis. Okay, so I have already done a video related to how you can take up module, okay, and ask some queries and get the response. Okay, so I've already done this in utilizing the OpenAI module as well as import OS. Okay, in this I'm gonna utilize whichever I have doing earlier. Okay, so what I was doing with the request. So if we take up the request, we can get the URL model, same thing will be there. Okay, but it is understandable. Okay, so let's go with the same. So all you need is just a simple request. Okay, so first thing is, this is definitely required stuff, so you need to get this stuff. Okay, and you have to start with a variable, so we can say as a request. Okay, and here instead of get we need to post. Okay, and we will start with URL, so it will be https. Okay, and we need to start with a router, so definitely a router is required, and we can say Hugging Face, okay, .co. so this is a website name, and whatever your code got, you have to say same certain things with as this, so you have to say chart and then completions. Okay, so here if completions are done, then you have to go with comma, and you have to state one more line which start with the headers. Okay, and in headers, there will be authorization will be there. Okay, so we need to start with that. So if I say headers, and we start with our authorization, that will be authorization, and in this we need to format with F with bearer. Okay, bearer has, you have to give certain space, and you have to start with curly braces, and here you have to say with the open, and the name of your API underscore RHF underscore API underscore key dot txt. Okay, so this will be there, so you need to open, then you need to read this stuff, and if any spaces are there, then you need to strip. So this is, you follow certain stuff, and then after close up this, you just go with the content type, what content type it contains. Okay, so you have to say whether it is in text or it is in JSON, so you have to say this. So we say content type. Okay, and we'll call with application or JSON. Okay, so here after getting this, we just close this stuff. Okay, and if anything remains extra, we need to take it out. So I think here it is good. So after this, what happens, we have to close the curly braces and have to start with other stuff. Okay, so once we need to look that in headers we started with a curly brace. Okay, so this is important. Okay, so that's the reason it is giving a red mark, so you need to understand that something is incorrect is there. So correct that, then all you have to say equal JSON, and with JSON you just start with a curly brace, and you have to give the model name. Okay, so in model name what happens, you have to give the same name which is there. So we have to do nothing, just go over there and copy this model. Okay, so we just copy this stuff and paste it here, And now what happens, you need to just click with the comma and you have to describe the messages, what you are doing with it. So with this, one more bracket you need to give, that will be square bracket, curly braces, then you have to follow certain as this role, okay, and it will be in a string format. So role you have to give as you have to say user, okay, and after this what happens, you just have to give the content. So content will be as this brief AI, okay, so that will be in a string brief AI, and just get some question mark, you are good to go. Then what happens, whatever your curly braces are there, you stated, just close them, and one more solid bracket you have to give, whichever you started at request.post. Okay, so somewhere you have to look if something is missing, then at the end all you have to say is print with what R is in JSON. So you have to say JSON parentheses, and with you have to give solid bracket. So there will be like some of the JSONs will be there which you have to take it out. So that will be in a choices 0th, and a message will be there. So all you have to give this message, and one more stuff is there, that is content. Okay, so content. Okay, so I think everything is good here. We need to just check whether we have not took any extra bracket or curly braces. Okay, so we need to aware about all those things. So here anyway a simple mistake will lead to errors. Okay, so I think this is not required, so we need to see this stuff. Okay, and I think we are good to go. So let's see this. Okay, definitely we are getting error. So what kind of error it is? So post request dot post I am trying to get. Okay, so some spaces are there. Now one more error, which will be what? Okay, so before executing you have to check that everything is good. Okay, so here I think next R is there, that will be chat, not chart. Okay, and we will run this stuff and see how it is working. Okay, so perfect, we got our answers what we queried, and we will gonna continue the same stuff. So I'm gonna utilize this request, and we will gonna router this URL with authorize this API key, and at the end we will give this model and all those stuff. So whichever your API is there, the code available in the Hugging Face, you just try to get in this, so it will get easy for you because you understand this request model, and you can do and ask, can do experiment with this generative AI, and it will be great. Okay, so as of right now, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below.